How to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is reset all setting. Click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin. Click on continue. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.